today's show, so we'll see. Okay. Hey, Crunk over on the kick. How are you, mate? But we'll power on through here. So, last stream we finished off the giant slime. We turn. Oh yeah, we'll turn the streak off. Yeah. If we do hit the streak, we'll update it, but it's not going to be a requirement today. I don't think it's going to be a full stream. Bits. With the 200 bits. Thank you, appreciate that. Talk to me.
Button, remember when the bollocks alert occurred courtesy to the mighty Glue Fez man?
Absolutely.
Well, if you aren't fucking careful, you'll end up doing silent streams. P.S. You're stubborn. And very pink-headed, just like me.
Yeah. Show must go on. Show must go on. Thank you for the 200 bits. I appreciate that. It helps me out a ton. Thank you. So, I want to bring this path across and through and over. And I also want to build a few more slimes around this as we finished the main slime yesterday. MCool's shouting at me. We finished the main slime yesterday and it looks glorious. Goffin trying to ruin all of my builds with stupid, horrible names. Okay, we've got a little bit of slime here. But we finished the giant slime and we need to convert the rest of this biome. Sorry, just swallowing hurts the most out of anything. Let me get, we need a little bit of dirt here to flatten that out. I also need to figure out where this path's going to go to get over here. I think we should probably do the path and then figure out where the rest of the slimes are going to go. I know, I know. So I reckon we go through there and then up and over. Something like that. I think that'll work. Well, Charlie, you're not who can make your own decisions, even if they're dumb decisions. Wow. Wow. Thank you for not shouting at me, Rogue Tally. Thank you. Chat likes to shout at me. Kind of mean. Stop flying. Jen, can we don't encourage the vomit cube, please? As a moderator of the channel, you have a responsibility to ensure that the stream remains a friendly place, allowing the broadcast to be bullied by embracing the likes of the vomit cube is unappreciated. Chief Moderator Imp will be in touch soon with disciplinary measures. Okay. If that were true, it would have been demodded long ago. Yeah, Imp is pretty mean to me. He is pretty mean. Phyllis, thank you for the 100 bits. Appreciate that. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Okay, there's that. So we're just gonna have a laid back show today. I did consider doing the duck sorting again. I did consider that, but I don't know. I didn't know how chat would feel about that, so I was like, we're gonna do some Minecraft. No, diarrhea is like a murky brown green, not slime green. I'll find a middle ground, Godfiend, as a bogey cube. How about that? Yeah, we need to start bending it. Okay. Oh, nice, Rosani, nice. Thank you for the 300 bits for the glue bollocks. Thank you. Thank you. I'm hoping Buster comes in today. Buster's going to be a very happy man this morning. I want to give him some positive reinforcement. Okay. Where do you see that though? I can't find it. The big emojis are bits. Yeah, it's like 100 bits to use them. It's part of the power-up thing. Like that.
MKL0893, asked me, roast Button with nasty language for not taking the day off and for not listening to chat's advice. Button, you dumb bitch, you should have taken the damn day off instead of grinding that stupid slime farm all day. Chat told your ass to relax and you didn't listen like the stubborn fucker you are.
True. True. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, Mars sounded fucked then as well. Konzach, tier 2 out of your mind.
Here's to a small line of 7s.
Thank you, mate. Right, hold on. I haven't even got Super Frost open. 1 second. Let me add M's bits on quickly. There we go. And then we'll add Konzach Assign with a tier 2. I have to keep hydrated. And why are we judging? I've just seen. Fucking hell. Spike! For God's sake! Thank you, Spike. Appreciate it, mate. The 1,000 biddies. Thank you. We'll get you a nice green sign. Tom's actually got you one as well for the tier 2. Taking us up to 1,700. Thank you, mate. Yeah, I'm just going to be careful. If it starts getting irritated and worse, chat, I'm just going to end, okay? I don't want to. I'm going to push it. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. But yeah. We've got a stream, Shram. Okay, this will come through here. Well, we're not going to push it real good. Even though I do know that song. Push it real good. Hooray! Whoa! God feed! Hooray! Oh my god.
Let's get that bit goal so you can go rest whenever you feel super sick. Or just do a 24-hour marathon like a real man.
I agree. 24-hour marathon show. Can we make it so I can't speak and make this tonsillitis so bad? Let's do that. Godfrey, thank you very much, mate. Appreciate that. That does eliminate worries, so thank you very much. You didn't have to do that, though. Thank you. Really do appreciate that, pal. Thank you. We'll get you a green sign. And we're going to update the streak. Hold on. Buzz, 31 months. Thank you, mate. 1 second. Oh, fucking hell. A little ways off that. There we go. Right here tomorrow. No, tomorrow's a day off. Tomorrow's my normal day off, which is why I'm streaming today. Chat said about swapping them, but I've got plans. I can't really. Well, I don't know if they're going to continue now, but we'll see how we go. No, I didn't agree to being. I didn't agree to hitting the bit goal and going to bed. I didn't agree to that. We have done that in the past, but I didn't agree to that. Oh yeah, mate, tonsillitis isn't fun. I've had it a few times. It's not great. I had it yesterday. I was like, fuck me, my throat's a little bit sore. I don't know what's going on there. Didn't think much of it. Went to bed. Woke up today. Throat's even worse. I thought, fucking hell. Let me have a look in the mirror. And the whole left side here. God's sake. Tried to have a fucking conversation. Oh my god. But yeah, I looked in the mirror and the whole, like, left side... Oh, it's just brought up the camera. The whole left side here of my mouth is just fucked. There's just so much just white shit all over it. It's not good. I'll show you a picture, but it's kind of disgusting. Wasn't my intention. I just didn't want you to stress it. Thanks, Coffee. I do appreciate that, mate. Thank you. That really does remove a lot of stress. Thank you. Hey, Venres, how are you? I might need antibiotics. I've been on antibiotics for it a couple of times. But at the moment, I'm just going to smash salt water, gargle it, and hopefully that'll get rid of it. Never had it before. It sounds awful. I can't really explain it. It feels... It hurts to swallow. It feels very dry and gritty. And when you look in the mirror, it's all like... The back of your throat here is all swollen. And there's like white... a lot of people say it's like white spots. But it's like white like clumps. That are all like around the back of it. It's only on one side at the moment. It's worse when it goes to both. Hopefully it's not going to do that. But... Yeah, tonsillitis is not fun. I just don't even know where I've got it from. That's what I don't understand. I was trying to figure that out with the missus. I was like, I just don't get where it's come from. I do have a few throat lozenges. Yeah, I've got like 4, but I don't think these really do anything for tonsillitis. I think they just remove soreness. What I need is like that menthol spray, but that's meant to be quite good. Maybe I'll go to the pharmacy and get some of that. It tastes fucking horrible, but it's meant to be really good for bacteria and stuff like that. Might have been the fishing trip. Yeah, but from what? I didn't kiss any fish. Do you know what I mean? No, there was no fish kissing. I want to kind of loop it through here. These need to go. So we'll see how we go. I'm hoping it'll pass sooner rather than later. Oh my god, it's my boy Sketch. How are you, mate? Good to see you. I love you. Hope you're doing well. Sketch, I was talking about you the other day actually to the missus. You actually, I don't know if people know about that. Me and you are friends on a certain thing. And it came up and I showed the missus. I was like, oh, this is my streamer friend Sketch. Look at his lovely family. And yeah, I don't know. I had a bit of a reminiscence from like fucking years ago. Like prior to you meeting Tink and stuff like that. And like how lovely your family is now. Like how grown up Owen is. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, I love you, man. You got a fucking beautiful family. What a great guy. Chat, if you don't know my good friend Sketch, go say hi to him. Great bloke. I don't really get to watch his streams too much because he streams it when I'm asleep, but he's a really, really good guy. Go check him out. I know, that's what I saw. I was like, how is Owen 8? I was like, it's crazy. And he really looks like you as well. Well, yeah, you've just got the most beautiful family, man. I'm so fucking happy for you. You've no idea. There's been no door handle licking. No, I don't know where this tonsillitis has come from. I don't know what's caused it. I got it a couple times before when I used to vape, but I haven't vaped for years, so I don't know. I don't know what's caused it. So yeah, I hope life's treating you well, Sketch. Yeah, Sketch played Valorant. Sketch played all sorts. Yeah, go check him out. He's good fun. We love Sketch. Good friend of mine here. Has been for many, many, many years. Yeah, I hope we get to hang out again sometime, Sketch. I'm sure we will. I want to come over to America and do like a big trip around it. And if I do, seeing the likes of yourself, you know, you Tink, Ludi, is absolutely on my agenda. Catch up on my life change. What's my life change? You're making it sound like I'm married and have children. Not yet. Not yet. Maybe next year. If I make it to the station, move me halfway. Sounds good, man. I've been saying I wanted to come over for a couple of years, but I will do it. I will do it. I don't know what sketch knows. He might know that I've moved out with the missus. I don't know. I don't know. We need to go up over here. Hey, Debrutted, how are you? Oh god, that was ages ago, sketch. Yeah, that was. Shit. You are behind. Yeah, that was a long, long time ago, mate. In a very, very different place now. With somebody I'm very, very happy with. Yeah, moved in together a few months ago. Life is good. Life is good. Get rid of these. Did you say what now? I don't know what that was referring to. I thought that was referring to kissing a fish. No, I don't, Rogue Towdy. Stop it. There's no blushing. There's none of that shit. You get basically to enjoy it. It's 100%, man. Just having your own space and stuff. It's fucking great. We are. Yeah, well. Having a deep moment here, Lord Elrond. Yeah, we're very, very happy, man. Thank you. Very, very, very happy. The new girlfriend is a nameless formless entity from an unknown universe, but I think he's dating a Lovecraftian cosmic horror, but she does sound lovely and sometimes brings me coffee. This is true. She does remain anonymous and totally off Twitch. She doesn't even get how Twitch works or anything. So, she's anonymous. She could be AI. Anyone thought about that? Maybe I've got early access. Maybe I've got early access to Optimus. Who knows? Okay, this is fucking shit. I need to sort this. Hold on. Okay. I don't feel this season will go for you or for United. I've got a feeling it's not going to go great, mate, to be honest. There's not been enough people come in. Not been enough people go out. So I don't think it's going to go great, but we'll see. We'll see. Fucking bean dealer, man. True. Piece of shit. I'm gonna get rid of this. Hey, Shaz, how are you, mate? Something like this will work. As an Arsenal supporter, you miss United from the 90s. Oh, those days are long gone. Long gone. Where do I want to come on this hill? Hold on. So we're going to come round, through, up, Maybe round to here. Because I need to get over. Yeah. Hi, Amy. Hoi. How are you? Thank you for that, Lord Elron. Appreciate the reverb fart. Thanks, man. Just found out news that made you feel old. Okay. What news have you found out, Amy? Okey-doke. Yeah, Manchester Derby's third game of the season, I think. Something like that. Bring it on. Hey, Syntax, how are you, mate? Manchester Derby's going to be weird. It is. Looking forward to it, though. Sweetie, thank you for the 66 months. Welcome back. Oh, you'll never get tickets to a Manchester Derby. Not unless you either buy resale or a season ticket holder. The Manchester Derby is probably the biggest game of the season. Actually, that's a lie. No, it's not. The biggest game of the season is probably United Liverpool. The information you were given is incorrect. Well, Amy, I'd like to help you out by reaffirming to you that you are, in fact, old. No longer a little young 16-year-old Amy. But more like pushing 30, Amy. Mortgage and a family, you know. Oof. It's like, fuck's sakes, down depressed. Uh-oh. Google was 2 months old when you were born. That sounds about right. I need to push this back. These guys are clearly vanilla Minecraft fans. I'm just trying to build, guys. Stop it. Oh, the banner dude already died. Poor Amy having the realization she's old. Should be okay. Why am I sad? I'm not sad. I've got tonsillitis, so I'm in a bit of pain. Enderman, I know you. Actually, you've got a grass block. You're not going to pick up another one. That's fine. Why I'm alive? Because it's my job. Actually, I just realised. This came too far back. I'm off tomorrow, Amy. Tomorrow's my day off. Somebody said about taking tomorrow off, but oh sorry, swapping days off, but United are on a 12:30 tomorrow. Start the season, you better know we're going to be there. United. United. Okay. I don't really want this to be like singles, but... Am I going to the game? No. I'm going to watch it, though. I'm going to be watching it. I'm going to need more dirt than this. 2 will be okay. Am I going to the pub to get everyone else sick? No. There'll be no pub. No pub. I've not gone to the pub in ages. It's literally been almost, well, 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks today since I last went to the pub. I was meant to go today, but that's obviously not going to happen. Been busy or not just feeling it? Bit of both. Bit of both. Been trying to look after myself a little bit better. Just had a lot going on. Yeah. Most of it's I've just got shit to do. I'm busy. Showed up the 2000 face clip I made for Trini the other day. He was like, wow, that was a lot of docs. That was a lot of docs. There we go. Path's not really coming at the angle I wanted it to. I wanted it to come in somewhere here. Well, this is a bit of a problem for that. Alright. You got the duck game after we played it. You already need the no ability achievement. Yeah, I need the under 4 hours and the no ability achievement. I was tempted to do the under 4 hours one today instead of Minecraft. I was like, nope. Chat love the mince, Ralph. You got the duck game for Avery. She beat it in a single marathon day, so she enjoyed it. I wonder what duck she chose as her favourite duck at the end. My guess is the butterfly duck. Or the dancer. Maybe she chose the dancer. Oh yeah, under 4 hours is piss. No, I don't disagree. Did I finish the leaf? Yes. The leaf one we did in like an hour. You can finish the leaf one quite quickly. Once you get the leaf blower, it's game over. And then this will go off wherever it's going. Go up. Oh, Jesus. Be a little bit careful, chat, 'cause it's definitely getting worse here. But yeah, the leaf one's worth doing. I mean, it's considerably quicker than the duck one. If again, it's a big relief. Just gonna move on with my day and pretend I didn't see that. I will, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I am looking after myself. I don't really want to get rid of this one, but I don't really have a choice. You know he liked to palm, but he didn't demand 100 bits. I thought about it. I did actually think about demanding 100 bits. However, Godfiend, you have cheered over 3,000 today to hit the streak, even though we didn't need to. So I felt I'd let you off on that occasion. I don't know what way we should put those, or what side we should put them on. We shall see. It's a bit crazy. I've flown past these blocks thousands of times. And it's only now they're being removed after years in the world. Whoop. That should become historical landmarks. Wait, what's that? What's a historical landmark? Oh, what? The blocks were tearing up. Yeah. You see that? They've been there for years and years. Longer than most people's Minecraft worlds exist today. That's a long time. Okay, they're only on the diagonal. We can get rid of them. We just got to figure out how we're going to come through here. Just got to figure this out. Whoop. Break. not really any point in coming down and coming up. Right, let's throw away the wood real quick and get some more dirt. I did a haircut, my hair's a mess. Chat, nobody look at my hair. If you look at my hair, you're banned. I'm sure future button will be grateful for those logs. Yeah, maybe we should do something like that, Em. Let me grab some dirt anyway, we'll have a look. Let's grab some dirt anyway, we'll have a look. Yeah, chat, I can't lie, I don't know how much longer I'm going to be live. It's starting to like really burn. Really burn and be sore, which usually means damage, which is not good. Yeah, I mean, it'd be the problem is it'd be the tiniest bridge ever. I do see what you're saying there, and it would be cool to do stuff like that. But yeah, I feel like if I was going to do that, I'd rather it be like here. Build like an artificial pond around this and just go... Maybe do that. Maybe do that. You tell me? I know. I know, I know. I know, Jazz. But I'm a stubborn old man. I was like, someone might fail their 48-hour marathon, I know. I know. I'm a disgrace, Godfrey, don't I? Total disgrace. Streamer totally promised a 48-hour stream. Hey, buddies, how you down today? I'm not down, mate. I'm in actually I'm in a really good mood. I'm having some tonsillitis problems, which is being unfun. But no, I'm not down. I feel great, actually. Because it's all good news. We were talking about the market yesterday on stream. And, it continued. It continued. Yeah, it continued up yesterday and continued all the way up today. It's pretty beautiful to see. Let's have a look at funding rates. This is something you gotta watch. Funding rates are coming down, which is good. Still very elevated for the day, though. You'd like to see that kind of drop for this to be sustained. I have BC. What's BC? Something like that. We're talking about Bitcoin. I didn't have any Bitcoin until approximately 1 AM last night. Right, I bought a little bit. Went to bed. Woke up. And it was up like 7 or 8%. I was like, happy days. Happy days. But I'll probably get out of it soon. Take a quick little 7 or 8% and off we go. But we'll see. Maybe we'll continue by the end of the day. Who knows? Big craps. I have a lot of big craps. Yeah. Yeah. Anybody else love taking a big crap? So be something like this. A lot of this is actually kind of annoying. Push mode, make a small change. It really gets when trees go on the edge of elevation like that. Yeah, it's yeah, I get what you're saying. It's not the end of the world. But I understand why you'd be like, ugh. Godfiend, 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 Godfiend. Wow. Wow. Tom, thank you for giving Gabby a sub. Appreciate that, mate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Enjoy, Gabby. Up the fucking Reds. United. Actually disappointed in you, Gabby. I'm in colours today and you didn't give me any Uniteds or GGMUs. Very disappointed. Oh, you did? Oh, shit. Sorry, I must have missed it. My bad. I apologise. I never doubted you. Never doubted you, bro. United. It'll be something like this. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit annoying to a line. I'll reset and said, after Mark, that's a cracking top you got there. Oh, thank you. It is. And of course, on the back, the mighty Boomer. Boomer. Nice. And I reckon we do some fake thing here. Coming up, like a fake like pond for the bridge. Hi, Eamon. How are you? Yeah, we will build something. We won't just leave it as a road. We will build something. Definitely. Sweet. Nice. But yeah, I like the idea that M said. We'd be like a fake pond and go straight over and off we go. I like. The thing is, I can't like the third top. Apparently they're doing that fourth kit thing this year. If the fourth kit's the one I think it is, I'm buying it. But the third kit, I'm not a fan. I like the second kit. I don't even like the home kit this year. I've bought the home kit every year for the last like 5 years. But I don't like it this year. So I'll be, I'll get the blue away one, but I won't buy the home one. Let's see if I can find it here. Oh, there it is. I just saw it. It's this. If this was the 4th kit, take my money. Take my money. That is nothing short of stunning. I don't think it's real, but if it is the 4th, it looks like it could be real though. But if this is the 4th kit, take my money. Did you get any big fish? Well, from the fishing stream? I think the biggest was, yeah, about 14, 15 pounds. Yeah. It's just a top. It is, but it's a nice top. Hi, Madison. Good to see you. No worries. Enjoy your lurk. I don't think we're really going to continue on the stream. I've got tonsillitis. And it's incredibly sore. And I am struggling a little bit. And I don't want to make it worse. So it is just going to have to be a very, very short stream today. But I wanted to come and do something. But I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Tomorrow's my normal day off. But I will be back live on hopefully Sunday. With a bit like this will have subsided a little bit by that point. Or at least calmed down. So unfortunately, it's a livelihood. See, Gavi knows. Gavi knows. It's not just a shirt. It's a DNA. It's in the blood. So unfortunately, chat, I'm going to leave it there. Because I genuinely don't want to make this worse. I can feel it's getting worse. So it can't be more than £40. It will be. They'll sell it for 130, but I won't pay that. I'll get one of the replicas that are like 20. But yes, chat, I've got to go. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Sorry again about the voice ones. I don't know where it's come from. Hopefully it'll pass sooner rather than later. But thank you for understanding. Make sure you follow all the socials. I'll be back live on Sunday. If you look at the clock, about an hour and 40 minutes when we'll be here. Follow Twitter. Follow Instagram. YouTube for extra content. TikTok for short form stuff. And the VOD channel for anything you may miss. I'm going to have a lot of time to do some edits and stuff like that. There's Buster. Buster's here. Hey, Buster. Oh, we're going to the fucking moon, baby. But yes, thank you for spending some time with Jack. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you for understanding. Hope this will all surpass soon. Hey, Shugan, and we'll be back on Sunday, all right? Have a great rest of your day. Love yous. And, yeah. See you on Sunday. Come on, United. Peace out, everyone. Have a great weekend. See you on Sunday, guys.